Hi, I'm Jay from FFX, and today we're at Bosch HQ talking about one of our customer favourites, the GTS10J. I'm here with Dan. Dan, what can you tell us about it?
Well, the GTS10J is a 10-inch table saw, middle of the range for our current range of table saws. Fantastically lightweight machine, weighing in at only 27 kilos. A little bit of weight to a machine like this is an advantage because obviously it stays put wherever you put it.
Absolutely. Okay, and you've got obviously a high quality blade already in there. What if the customer wanted to upgrade? What would you recommend?
Well, the perfect upgrade for this particular machine is going to be probably a Freud blade. Readily available out there, very well respected in the marketplace.
Fantastic. That's great, Dan. So what other specifications can you tell us about the GS10?
Right, the table size for this particular model is 642mm by 635mm. The motor spins with a no load speed of 3,650 RPM. Obviously we have constant electronics here, so that's maintained throughout the cut.
Fantastic.
Also 79mm maximum depth of cut at 0 degrees, so quite a formidable depth of cut there.
So Dan, it's a great bit of kit, but what materials can we cut?
Realistically, you're looking at wood, composites, some of the metals, aluminium especially, all the way up to fibre cement. So providing we do a blade for it, or providing there's a blade that will fit it, it'll cut it.
That's great news, Dan. As I said, guys, this is one of our customer favourites. We wanted to know more about it. Thank you, Dan, and you can get yours at ffx.co.uk.